Hey, so there is a free mockup tool for print-on-demand designers that's available, and shout out to Brian who put this video out. And it actually came up on my front page on YouTube, so I'm like, well, that's cool. And I'd heard of this program before, but I watched his video. It's very good. Go watch it. Super cool. And it's actually leading to this one, which is recraft.ai. I'll go to the front page first. So it's like create visually consistent graphics, first generative AI design tool that lets users create and edit digital illustrations, art, and 3D graphics in a uniform brand style. Try it for free. So they got like 500,000 users, 60 million plus AI generated graphics. And basically, you have like a combo of like a Photopea, which is free, and well, not Photopea because Photopea has a bit more options on it, but you can actually type it in and then you can work on some colors and all that thing. And they have recraft instead of like generate. It'll generate something for you, but you can use this for mockups too. And just real quick, I'm actually going to create an account here. So click get started, and then I'll do sign in or create. Okay, so I'll use this email and continue verification code. Okay, let me do this. Just went and got that from my Gmail account. Loading. What do you plan to use it for? Work. What kind of work do you do? Yep, there we go. What do you plan to create? So let's mockups. Yep, mockups. You ever use a? Yep, I do. How'd you hear about it? YouTube from that video, and somewhere else before too, but I can't remember. So use any images as a mockup base or create one with AI. So try now. Stand out from a sea of generic mockups. Convert your own photo of a T-shirt, mug, etc. into a mockup template. Just drop your design on the template, and it automatically stretches to fit. Don't have a template? Let them generate one for you. Okay, cool. So let's go try now. And this is me coming in raw. Like I've never done one in here, so I literally don't know what I'm doing. Let's click mockup, see what happens. Okay, I got that. And I'm guessing I typed something in here. What's this? Yeah, product photo. All right, so mockup wise, what am I going to do? Well, let's try. I don't know, a blonde woman wearing a black t-shirt doing yoga. Let's try that. And I guess I could do the different sizes here too, which is cool. 2 to 1, 16, 3 to 2, 14, 10, 1 to 1. Okay, so let us try this. It'll generate it. And then what I think I have to do is drag in one of my images. So while that's loading, I'm going to go find one of mine. Oh, there she is. Okay. Can't really use that. Let's try that again. Can't use that because I can't get the... Okay, let's try a different one. Let's try this. Not digging that one. Now how would I adjust this? Let's try again. I'll just hit recraft. See, kind of like rerun in Midjourney, I'm guessing. But I really need it to be like where it shows the front of the shirt so I can put an image on there. Maybe I should switch to something else. Oh! That is nightmare material. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like that. I don't even like looking at that. Ugh. Okay, I'm getting out of this. Oh. Whoa. Okay. I'm wearing a black t-shirt in a park. Close up of the t-shirt centered in the image. So, a little backstory while I was doing this. I actually created an AI mockup shop and I put it on Etsy and I got up to 2,400 listings and I made like 2,000 sales, and you'd think that would be wonderful, right? But I actually lost money on it because of all the Etsy fees. So I ended up closing down that shop. So I do have a boatload of experience creating mockups with AI. Using this program though, Oh, that's better. Okay, that's much better. I can use that. All right, let's go find one of my designs. We'll throw it on there. Okay, so apparently I can just drag and drop this in here. And let go, and there we go. And then, yeah, it goes over the whole thing. See, oh, that's interesting when you drag. Oh, that's cool. When you drag it outside, it actually goes like outside legitimately. All right, let's make this smaller. It's pretty funky. Getting smaller. There we go. And then we can put her in there. Now, I do like how, like, this is really contouring to her body, which is actually very cool. Let's click off that. I'll get rid of that back box. Oops, get rid of that. All right, let's drag that back in again because I screwed that up. Like I said, this is raw. This is me going through this the first time. So I guess you'd delete that back box first. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's looking better. So that is actually, I do like that. Now, one thing I noticed, this little line here is a little bit off with the shadow. But overall, that's not too bad. I mean, for a t-shirt model, I would probably crop this in even more if I could. I don't know if I can crop it inside here. But when I go to share, you can now view the project and export files. Oh, share. No, that's not it. I want to download. So how would I download? Import. I can put text on. Oh, there I can crop. Frame. Okay, let's try frame. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Frame is not crop. Don't know what this is. New image. New mockup. New image set. Maybe this is download. Projects. Duplicate. New. How to. So. Copy. Nope. Convert. Vectorize. Remove background. Export. Right, but I want to export like the whole thing. Alright, okay. Export as PNG. Downloading. And let's open that up. There we go. I got it. Okay, I got it. Cool. So now I could take that and I could crop it further because I would want to make this like the center of the image. I was wondering if I can crop in here. There must be a way. I don't see an option. How to create, like basically I want to zoom in. Can I just zoom? No, scrolling doesn't work. What's this? Vector art. New. Oh, I lost my little thing. Oh boy. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. All right, let's delete this. So I guess this is like an artboard. I would like to be able to crop this, and I'm not quite sure how. Maybe there's something over here. How to edit, how to change colors, how to turn a raster. Copy, paste, zoom. Zoom in, zoom out. So control plus, control minus. Still not seeing a crop. Okay, so let's go control plus. Nope, that is doing my whole thing. That's not moving it. All right, I'm sure there's a way and I don't know how to do it, but rasterize, that's kind of cool. So yeah, you can create mockups and they fit nicely on there. But I would like the ability to crop this somehow, if I could. So let's open your settings. No. I mean, it's got a lot of power. There's no doubt about it. So let's go back to the front page here. What I want to do is go to a new window and I'll just go to recraft.ai. Because what I want to look at is this. So typically, like it's free to use, but here's the thing that I don't like about it on the free to use is its generated images are owned by Recraft. So all images generated by free accounts are available for public and commercial use, no attribution required. That alone, I mean, I know why they're doing it, because they want you to pay $20 a month. But you see videos online, you're like, free mockup generator, and it's super cool, and it'll replace all this stuff, and it's not really going to do it. If you're going to generate mockups, yeah, $20 a month is not bad. And the little feature where it actually, like, models, like, it'll, what's the word, warp to the dimensions of the person on there, that's actually pretty cool. I know I pay for Midjourney, and I think it's like $30 a month, and then I use Photopea to actually put it onto the image. But um, yeah, 10,000 AR requests per month. I don't think anybody's going to hit that. That's quite a few. But for $20 a month, you own all the images you generate. Images other than yours in the community gallery can be used commercially. No attribution required. Images other than yours. Your images are private. They won't appear in the community gallery. Okay. Faster priority, unlimited AI requests, and then they have enterprise. So now that is the yearly option. Monthly, they are $25 a month. Okay, so $25 a month. It's similar to Midjourney in that vein. I think most of these places that you find where you have generators and AI stuff, they're actually just using an API tied to a backend, which is the same one as they all use. So on that side, there's not much difference. From somebody who's done like 2,400 mockups using AI and has a really good system, the one limitation I can see on this so I'm making t-shirt stores and I want this mockup, and that's cool, but then I want to make another mockup like identical with a different color. So to get this to a different color is going to be, it's possible to do, but it takes a little bit of work because you got to like trace out the whole thing. Like you got to zoom in and trace it all the way out with Photoshop or Photopea. When there's hair in the way, it gets very difficult. And then you can use filters to change the color of the shirt, and then you can bring it back in. But I don't see that in here. If there were an AI like mockup generator that could generate this mockup and then have a little thing maybe up here with color swatches and say like what color do you want to make it and allow me to change the color of the shirt, that would be something I would be very interested in, because that part right now you have to buy them, or you have to know how you can cut out the actual t-shirt and change the colors, but you have to be really good at Photoshop or Photopea or Illustrator in order to do that. So this is just a raw video from me based on watching the other video, which is very cool. I love his demonstration, but I think there are some limitations to this in that I can't crop. I would love to see a color swatch option where this one, I could just change the color to like 100 different colors and keep the same design on it. That would give me some consistency across my store. Also, one thing that these things struggle with is, I'm going to try something here. Well, I guess these are like art boards. Yeah. Oh, you can drag it in there. Oh, look at that. It's on the tree. If I try a mock up here, I'm going to try something. Illustrator, vector. Oh, I could do designs, I guess. That's kind of cool. Raster. So all I really want to do is try a flat lay. So let's do like Gildan 18500 flat lay on a wooden table. Let's say this black. See if I can do that. I don't even know where. Oh, down here it's doing it. Oh, did I lose it? Oh boy. I lost it. Oh, no, there it is. Okay, so let's make this smaller. What is all this stuff? Oh, that's actually not too bad, although I don't know what this part is. Glow. Oh, do I have some preset setting on here? All right, I guess I guess you could go through and try and figure out all this a little bit more, but that's actually a pretty good flat lay mockup because usually you have to buy those. Now, if I change colors, what does that do? Layer colors, background more. Anyway, I'm going to play with this a little bit more. But one thing, just beware. If you use the free account, your images are freely available. If you use a paid account, you're getting into the same price point as something like Midjourney, which, while Midjourney Plus, you have the ability to do those cool kind of contours to the model more. And I could see that working very well with like coffee mugs too. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of potential. And I think if I spent more time than like just creating an account live and doing it in front of you, I think it could be a really good tool to have in your arsenal. So I'm not an affiliate of it. I just saw a video and I thought I'd shoot it because I do have quite the background in mockups and quite the background in print on demand and quite the background in t-shirt stuff too. So anyway, let me know what you think. It is recraft.ai. You can go there and check it out, and hopefully it works well for you. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you're going to be using it going forward. Have a great day.